Hi, I'm Richard Laborde, Business Development Director for our System on Module, or SOM products, at Beacon EmbeddedWorks. You might remember us better under our former name, Logic PD, or maybe you remember our Torpedo and Torpedo Plus Wireless System on Modules. Today I'd like to tell you how we help customers just like you with all of their embedded technology needs. You'll get your products to market faster with less risk by using our feature-dense modules. Beacon EmbeddedWorks SOMs are pre-certified and built to last. Compact, secure, and customizable, our SOMs deliver unwavering performance throughout the life of your product. In the early 2000s, we started designing and manufacturing system-on modules. After the success of our Torpedo series, we began focusing purely on customization, offering SOMs that were designed to exact customer specifications. In 2019, we started designing brand new products that were announced in early 2020 with our newly formed Beacon EmbeddedWorks brand. Our new Beacon EmbeddedWorks SOMs are available in both standard and custom configurations. In addition to our SOMs, Beacon EmbeddedWorks offers comprehensive, full-service lifecycle design, engineering, and manufacturing services that allow you to realize groundbreaking innovations. At Beacon EmbeddedWorks, we do all of our own hardware and software design. We don't outsource any of our development to third-party companies. We also do our own manufacturing in the same facility where the SOMs are designed. This means that we can provide a full spectrum of support for our products. We don't point fingers at any third-party partners or blame problems on a manufacturer. If you have any question or need help with any of our embedded products, we support the entire system. Beacon EmbeddedWorks is certified for ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and AS9100. Our SOM design and manufacturing are based entirely in the US in an ITAR-registered facility. This means we excel at working in regulated industries, including medical and life sciences, aerospace and defense, and commercial and industrial. We know that customers in regulated industries typically want longer product longevity, so we design all of our products to be available for a minimum of 10 years. In many cases, we've offered 15 plus years of availability. We also have a rigorous forecasting process and complete obsolescence management, including detailed product change notifications, redesign options, as well as last time buy and consigned material programs for extending product life cycles. Beacon EmbeddedWorks has an excellent team of experienced applications engineers that can support you on our products as well as your end product. All of our applications engineers are highly experienced in both hardware and software design. Our technical support website has a forum that discusses the use of products, and our product information page allows registered users to download technical files. The support team is always available to answer customer questions on the forum or by email. If a customer needs more dedicated support, we have support contract options that provide you with a dedicated contact and are perfect for creating custom drivers, qualifying components, optimizing boot time, or offering ways to reduce power consumption. With access to a full electronics product development team, Beacon EmbeddedWorks can design everything our customers need, from a custom baseboard to an entire end product. We can ensure you get to market faster by creating the documentation and test plans, executing all the quality assurance testing, and providing full test reports. Beacon EmbeddedWorks supports the most trusted and relied upon operating systems and software packages used in today's critical devices. We also frequently handle requests from our customers who want a specific version or build of a custom operating system. Ultimately, we can support any operating system or version for our customers. Beacon EmbeddedWorks is also licensed as an HDMI adapter. As an HDMI adapter, we expand our SOM's display and peripheral capabilities, making it easy to integrate an HDMI design into your finished product. Taken alongside our existing suite of comprehensive multimedia capabilities, Beacon EmbeddedWorks SOMs are optimal for 3D graphics, high-definition video, and cutting-edge display interfaces. To find out more about our system-on modules, including customization options, security features, support options, and our Watson power management tool, please contact us directly or visit our website at www.beaconembedded.com.